when you are elected leader, egasi ya onereri serikali nebwate structures yo ya magenderero, ntobwate equitable distribution of resources, ntobwate allocations to the constituency, chirie serikali yakoreteki eruete, ntobwate ntobwate chibesa chigo chase as a county ono otige chibesa chigo chase county, otige chibesa chigo chase constituency for development yao. Omanya kurwaro maya kurwaro tebenga ki ngoko bera ase serikali usabanta bana ase serikali bali serikali ki nani bantu bagoteba nande no yani ora ase serikali no ile chibesa kokorera magendero kwa magorwaro watebanga ki tigatugenda ase serikali egera nande naditora akorerwa magendero. You know, it beats the logic. Bono egende kikoreta confusion egasi ya onereri ochoreire yani koba ase serikali nabonte tukotenga babara ororo no bara ase serikali mpaka intu no tora ase serikali because serikali nande tubwate serikali ende ntubwate nande serikali.
But you're supposed to be able to support it fully so that munyora magendero
koye support.
You cannot be in government
koye support as in terms chiogo tebanga ki two term you know support serikali into ababandi tore opposition etororo for checks and balances. Ndewana ine yani nga serikali ya to promise gebintu etarikokora abane bari isiko chibesa chikoreteki chibesa chiborete chipoliteke nikimoroje chibesa chakoreki chibesa chaborire wono mwate betunga ki chisukuru chanzire go sambu ekero chisukuru chia kwanza go sambu umuntu makuru roto tebinga nga baikaranze ba investigate ba gene report. We don't want G report chi abere chikoli ku botambe we want action. Ekero tokoteba mangana ya magendero we don't want promises, we want action.
Mheshimiwa